Hello, are you here for an Uber?
Yeah, that's me.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, what's the name?
Celine?
Yes. Yeah, you're good.
Awesome, thank you.
I like your profile picture
on
the app. Yeah, you got a lot of colors.
Oh, wow, thank you.
And your hair. Yeah.
Yeah, I actually was gonna say, so I spent all my money today. I was shopping on Rodeo, and so I actually hit my card limit, and I didn't.
You hit your card limit?
Yeah, I didn't expect that. Apparently it's possible. Who knew?
Dang,
right?
that's crazy.
So is there like another way that I can pay for the Uber?
Well, it's already like, you already ordered it.
I know, but this is not gonna like work. It's not gonna like pay you, and I feel really bad. I mean, you could give me a ride for free, but like I'd love to do something in return, you know?
So you mean the money's not gonna go through?
Mm-mm.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Well, I mean, I'll still take you. I'll take you.
Really? Is there like, do you want me to like do something though to like, you know, like help you? Like I feel bad.
I mean, you know, you can pay for the ride another way.
Okay. Like what?
Like, I'm just saying, I mean, you could pay for the ride another way.
Like, what do you want me to do though? Like, I can like mow your lawn.
I mean, I'm not gonna throw any suggestions out there, but I'm just saying, like, there's other ways.
Like, I can wash your car.
To pay for the ride.
Dirty. Yeah, like it's kind of dirty. I can wash your car.
I don't need a car wash. Okay. I'm just saying, you know, I don't live too far from here. There's another way you can pay for the ride. Put it that way. Just take it how you will. I'm not gonna say anything, you know, because just in case someone's listening. But I'll just say.
Okay, that's really creepy.
What?
You're like talking about like, you know, right? Like the other way. Like that's not what I meant. That's really creepy and disrespectful. And
I thought you were playing along.
I literally, that's not what I meant. I feel really uncomfortable.
You literally said you could do something else to pay for.
I feel really uncomfortable right now. That's actually, I'm probably gonna have to report you too.
No, please don't.
Like, please let me out.
Are you serious?
Please let me out. Yeah, that's disgusting.
That's literally
disgusting. I was talking about like washing your car, not going to your house. That's so gross.
That's what I meant. Gross. I meant you could come over and mow my lawn.
You're a predator. Don't try to gaslight me.
I was saying you could come over and mow my lawn, or maybe you could trim my palm trees.
Don't gaslight me. Don't gaslight me.
Maybe you could do some light yard work.
You're literally, don't mansplain all over what you're saying right now. You are disgusting.
Please don't report me.
I'm going to report you.
No,
I'm
please
gonna
don't.
report you. No, I am. That is so gross.
Oh my god.
That is so gross. And oh my god, you literally have the doors locked.
Okay, just get out.
You're a predator. You're a predator. You're a predator. You're gross. Bye.
Oh my.